Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the Bogwalk Gorge in St. Catherine, Jamaica. So as you can see, on the left is the Rio Cobra River, and on the right is a hill, very rocky terrain. So we're just driving on this 2-lane road that cuts through the gorge. And this road takes you, it's actually outside of the highway. This is the main road that takes you from Kingston to the north coast of Jamaica. So before the highways were built, this was the main road. It still is the main road because the highway is a toll road, so you have to pay to use it. So most persons use this road. There's also another route through over Sligoville, but it's over a hill, the road is terrible, it takes very long. So this is the main route. So you enter the gorge from Angels in St. Catherine and you go all the way out to the Bogwalk area. Alright, so this is a little area. We're still driving through the Bogwalk Gorge. Residential area. So these persons are at a great disadvantage when the gorge is closed. But although this is the main vehicular traffic way, there is an alternate road that these persons can use if the gorge is closed. However, you can't drive on that road, but you can walk. So they are not cut off completely, they can go over the hill, but it's so much easier when the road is open. But the road is only closed when you have heavy rains and the water level rises. Alright, so if you were to turn right here now, that's where you would take the Sligoville route. So if the gorge is closed and you don't want to use the highway, you would turn there and go through Sligoville. Now we've come out of the gorge and we're now in the Bogwalk area. So this is Bogwalk, a small town in St. Catherine. Alright, so on the left is Juicy Patties. Very popular place for breakfast and patties and lunch. So if we turn left here now, we would go into the town of Bogwalk, but we're just going to bypass it and head this way. So we're now heading driving out of Bogwalk or through Bogwalk towards Linstead, and then we go over Mount Rossa, and then Monique, and then go through Fern Gully, and then go into Ocherius. So that's the route we would take to get to the north coast of Jamaica. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Also leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think about these roads and the video. Alright guys, have a good day.